How to turn off or on chat banner notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on chat banner notifications on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is click on Skype and then click on your profile right here and go down and you will find settings and then click this one, notifications. And now all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, chat banner notifications. Click on it and as you see, chat banner notifications has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. It's easy of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.